What is disaster?
Disaster is a dangerous disaster. There's even a lot of disasters, like tsunami, storm, and tsunamis, even more max level tsunamis, even tornadoes, and even more.
What is tsunami?
Tsunami is a max level water wave. Can get you in the beach. While you're in the beach, watch out for them. Run away in the beach. Get in your car, run to home, and keep running. So don't go to the beach.
Tapos, ano yung volcano?
Volcanoes are dangerous. A dangerous disaster. If you go inside of it, you might burn because there's lava inside. It will erupt and you run away for yourself, or else they will get you. So don't go to volcanoes and mountains.
So, what is tornado?
Tornado is
Tornado is a disaster. It will get you in your house if you are inside. It will blow up your house even faster like a spinner like this hand I'm doing. So don't go in your house, run away by yourself so you can be safe. Find a shelter and be safe. So don't go outside.
What is a thunderstorm?
Thunderstorm is a dangerous storm. If it rains, the thunderstorm will appear on your house. Run away by yourself or else you will get shocked by electricity and you will die. So don't go outside again. Find a shelter to be safe. Floods are the dangerous disasters. You have to go higher ground so you don't get caught by a flood. If you go down there, you will not breathe and you will die if you go down there again. So don't go down there now if there's a flood.
Fire tornado.
Fire tornado is a dangerous disaster. It will actually just burn your house and you'll die inside of it. So run away so you don't get caught by a fire tornado. Or else a tornado, his brother, will come in your house. Then tonight.
What is a fire?
Fire is a dangerous disaster. Run away or else the fire will get bigger and bigger. So you have to run away, get in your friend's house to be safe, but the fire can get you in your friend's house. Run away and go to another human's house. So you have to go in down his shelter to be safe. So don't get by the fire and you or else you will die.
Galing talaga to.